Welcome to Camaro Mods channel. First part of this video, we're going to be at Copart bidding on this Camaro. Now this one had a little bit more mileage on it than I really wanted. 146,000. It's red and it's a V6. I'd rather have a V8. It is a manual. Right now it's $1,200. I already put a bid on it. Only bid $100, so that's just to get me in. We're going to go through this real quick off auction, and then once we hit auction, it's going to go quick. So I want to show you this real quick, because I'm not going to have time to be flipping through the pictures as we go. I'm going to be hitting that bid button. Okay, it's got minimal damage. Keep in mind I have the whole front bumper that came off my front. It came off my original red Camaro, the 2012. So all I have to do is get a fender, either buy it painted or get it painted. I'll have to do a couple of these emblems right here. You'll see over on the other side the CA is missing. But I mean, this thing's got all good tires and wheels on it. It don't look like it's... Right here's the metal part of the front bumper. I see it's messed up that plastic piece right in there, but we'll see what we can do about that. Them things are kind of expensive, but... And it's got a little spot right there. But I mean, this whole side is nice and slick. It's got nice tint on the windows. This side is very nice. Got nice tailpipes. Very nice wheels and tires. Kind of looks like my first car when I got it. Except it didn't have any black stripes at all on it. It reminds me a lot of my first car, but you'll see right here's the CA's missing, so I'm gonna have to... I'll get another set of these. I think I can get a set of chromas for less than $50. I remember the... Let's see, what was it? The darker ones. I think they was around $100 a set. I might just put chrome back on there. But it's not damaged much at all. I mean, I think this is going to be easy fix. Little spot right here on the hood part of it. Not sure how I can fix that. Little spot right there. Another little spot right down there. Maybe paint the whole hood black. I don't know. Put in your comments down below. Or maybe just get another hood. Back end looks good. Little spot right there. Get that paint with some flat black. Like I say, this car is in very nice condition. The inside, I have to get a new steering wheel. This is a 2010 model, so I can go ahead and put in a 2012 style steering wheel, which I like better. It is a manual transmission. Pretty nice and clean on the inside. Got the key. Got the regular radio. That's what I don't like right there, is the mileage on it. But just gonna have to deal with it, I guess. All the side curtain airbags are opened up, so I don't know if I'm gonna replace them or not. I'll definitely have to get a steering wheel. But it's got a cold air intake on it. I'm not sure what brand that is. Looks like they need to clean it up a little bit. That's what we're looking at. Gonna be bidding on it here very shortly. Still got about an hour and a half to go on it. I want to get this intro done on it so you can kind of see what I'm going to be bidding on. I'll probably go ahead and release this video whether I win it or not. Right now I think it's at $1,200. So with all the fees and everything, that's $2,500. I don't think it's going to go much more than that. So I'm pretty sure I can get it for $1,500 plus the fees. So that's going to put it right around the 3,000 mark, which would be fine. See, I can fix it much cheaper than a lot of them guys can because I've already got a lot of the parts. I even have the original back spoiler that came on that Camaro. I have the back spoiler, the front end, have an engine cover for it. I got lots of parts I can put on this car. It's kind of the reason why I was wanting to get another red Camaro that was lightly damaged. I don't want one that's completely shoved in where you got to replace radiators and everything else, which messes up your radiator frame mount. And all your tires and everything's good, so that's a big plus right there. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. I imagine that'll probably buff out. I kind of like these little pieces here. They're not really mud flaps, but it's pretty cool. So that's what we're going to be bidding on here shortly. Yeah, I can get another steering wheel with the new airbag in it. Then be about $150, $200 for that. Now I'm not sure I'm going to replace the side curtain airbags. I'll just tell these right here. I'll just kind of fix that, put it back. I don't know how much that'd be. That'd probably be a couple $100 more, and I'll just tell the people that I sell it to that I didn't replace them. So okay, I guess we're going to go to the auction, and we'll stop this video right now. And we'll go to the auction here shortly. After we go to the auction, then I'm going to take you to Kansas City. We're going to go pick it up. So we've got a long ways to go on this video yet. Okay, guys.
New bidder.
We're down to 3 minutes. When it goes on auction, it's going to go by quick. Right now, it's still $1,200. Wish me luck. I'm going to go up to about $1,700, $1,800. Put another $500 to $600 on it. I'm sure it'll sell in that range.
This is a hot lot.
I'm not going to have time to go over here and flip pictures over here. I'm going to be over here hitting that bid button. I showed you all the pictures earlier, so it's going to be coming up quick here. Be kind of glad to get it over with. See what I get it for. You're talking the fees. Right now it's $1,200. Right now it's $1,200. And the fees will bring it clear up to $2,500. So you're looking at over $1,000 in fees.
Sold.
We've got 2 minutes. Then after this auction, we'll
Sold on approval.
jump in the truck and trailer and go get it. It's coming up next. I'm not going to start off hitting it real hard. I'm just going to kind of let it play out. Kind of catch it on the tail end of it. Then we jump in there. That's the reason why I hadn't put any more bids on it. I don't want to just bid it up. Get into a bidding war with somebody and pay a lot more than what you need to. I'll just wait till the auction goes live. And it's fixing to come up right here shortly. Really hope I get this car.
This is a hot lot.
It's got a salvage title on it, so I'm going to have to get it inspected before I can put it up for sale. I was kind of going through that a while ago. At first I thought the Kansas laws with salvage title was you couldn't get it back on the road, but you got to rebuild it and get it inspected and it's good to go. Okay, it's fixing to come up here quick.
Bonus time.
Let's see what this car is going to go for. Here we go.
Sold. New bidder.
Wow. I'm already done. 2,000 be 3,000.
Bonus time.
No, I'm done. Wow, that went high. My land. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. That's too bad. Wow.
New bidder.
Well, just have to look for another one. Man, I just didn't want to go that high. 2,100, that thing would have went. It'd been over $3,000. No, I can't do that.
Bonus time.
All right, I'll put this video up and we'll just have to try again. Man, I was wanting that one. That was just perfect.
Sold.